Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Shaveira Arnandhyta. I'm from grade 12 Science 2. And today I'm gonna show you how to make taichan satay as my assignment for English practical exam. Subject namely procedure text. Before we start, don't forget to wash your hand first. Okay, I'm done for washing my hands. And next, for the ingredients and tools.
Ingredients: chili, lime, ginger, onion, and garlic. Chicken breast fillet, margarine, sugar and salt, and pepper powder. Tools: mortar and pestle, pan, plate, tongs, spoon, and skewers. Step: first, grind garlic and ginger until smooth. Next, mix well the garlic and ginger with the chicken breast fillet that has been cut into squares. Then, squeeze the lime and let the chicken sit for 10 minutes so that the spices sink in.
While waiting for 10 minutes, we will make the chili sauce.
Put the chilies, garlic, onion into the mortar and grind until smooth. Heat the pan and melt the margarine. Next, cook the chili sauce on the pan. Pour a little bit water. Add salt, sugar, and pepper powder. Next, put the chicken on the skewers. Then, heat the pan and melt the margarine. Bake the chicken on the pan flip over so that they are cooked perfectly.
Finally, taichan satay is ready to be served. Thank you for watching everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.